passion. My sexy ass has got him in a new dimension.